Hello everyone and welcome to one more of our tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you which charting platform you can use for uploading charts to Trade Scanner, and we are going to open and close trades on two different platforms. We are going to use Coinbase for our crypto trading, and we are going to use MetaTrader 5, which is a very famous platform and very common among all the biggest forex brokers in the market, and it is suitable for trading forex pairs and stocks. So let's start with the first, which is the charting platform. We are here at TradingView, which is very famous, a very known charting platform, which you can download for free, and it gives you the ability to be able to have charts on your mobile phone so you can upload them to tradescanner.ai. Inside TradingView, you can see that you can have your chart. There are available time frames for you to choose. We suggest that you should use the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame for using for Trade Scanner. And of course, here you can select the list of all your assets. Here we have all the assets that we currently analyze on the Trade Scanner Telegram group. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, Euro USD, US30, Nasdaq, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, and other assets are here available. So you can just click and choose which asset you want to take a screenshot and send it to Trade Scanner. So next step, we are going to do some crypto trading, and then we're going to do some gold trading. We are here at Coinbase, and we are going to do some trading. We are going to sell some Bitcoin that we currently have here for USDC. So what we are going to do is go down here and select advanced mode. So advanced mode takes us to the trading dashboard of Coinbase. As you can see here, we have a chart. We can change the time frame here from 1 hour to 4 hour. We can use the 1 hour chart, which is the one that we also suggest you to use for Trade Scanner. We can see the price. Here is the order book. Here are the orders from sellers, and here are the orders from buyers. The trade history, and of course, the one that is interesting for you is the dashboard here. So we have available to trade Bitcoin, available balance. Okay, we see that this is our available balance. So we are going to place a sell order. Now, in case that you are trading for a setup from Trade Scanner, what you can do is actually you can set a limit price. So if Trade Scanner has told you to buy, you will will select the buy option here. The order type will be limit. So we set the price which we want to buy Bitcoin, and we choose the price here and the amount of the account that we want to sell. And we can also set the take profit here and the stop loss in price inputs. What we are going to do here for demonstration purposes, we are going to sell. So here we are going to sell. Let's select our limit price. So it must be a little bit lower or exactly where we are right now. But as you can see, the price changes, but we are going for this specific price. So we selected maximum. So we are selling for 23.67 USDC, and we are going to sell our Bitcoin now. You see that the order here has been placed here at the order book, and we wait for our order to be executed on the exchange so we can sell our Bitcoin for USDC. You can see here is our limit price exactly at 114,567.48. So we're a little bit, actually much lower, $67 lower that we want, the level that we want to sell. But never mind, this is the game of crypto trading. So we are waiting for the limit order to be placed. And till the order is fulfilled, we are going to show you now how to do trading on MT5 for your stocks and FX pairs. Now we are here on the MT5, on the MetaTrader 5 trading dashboard. You can see it's similar to the crypto exchange, but it has a completely different design. Here you can select the time frame, and we are checking out gold, XAU USD. This is a demo account, of course, and now we want to place a trade. What we are going to do is we are going to place a trade with a limit order, take profit, and stop loss. So currently, the price is $3,630. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click here, go to trading, and go to new order. What we're going to select is pending order if Trade Scanner has shared with us a specific setup. So let's go with for one lot, and we set the price that we want to buy the asset. So it's 360.31 as a buy limit. The stop loss, let's place it where Trade Scanner will tell us. So 365, it's always lower than the entry price. And the take profit, let it be 3,665. And here, as you can see, we can place it as buy stop. And here we are. As you can see here, our order is placed, so we will be waiting for gold to go here at this level where we have typed our entry price, 3,661. Our stop loss is set here, 3,650, and take profit is 3,665. So when the price goes here, it's going to hit our take profit or our stop loss. And this is the way to place the setup for Forex pairs and stocks. Back to Coinbase to finalize our tutorial for today. We see that our pending order has not yet been fulfilled. So we are waiting the price to go at this level. So the order is finalized and the USDC are into our account. So this is a way to place trades on Coinbase for crypto and on MetaTrader 5 for stocks and FX pairs and metals. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.